Hello guys, this is Redefined Craft and I'm back again with a very simple and easy last minute Valentine's Day gift. It's a flower in a bottle. I'm sure you'll like this DIY and I recommend you all to try it once. For this, you will need an empty glass bottle, flowers, ribbon, and for decoration, some pearls, colorful sand or rangoli colors. You start by taking the glass bottle and filling it up with colorful sand. After that, add in the pearls to cover the base of the bottle. Now take some leaves and glue them up at the bottom and put them inside the bottle. Shake them up to cover the base. Finally, take your flower along with the stem and put it inside the bottle very carefully. If it's an artificial flower, it will be very easy. All you need to do is just place it on the top and push it down with the help of your thumb. Shake it up to cover the base as well. Now for the bow, cut 4 strips of ribbon, one smaller than the other, and take the first piece and roll one end of the ribbon to make a cone and fix it with sellotape. Now similarly, roll the other end too and secure it. You have to make 3 more of them, and for the last piece, join its one end to the other and tape it. Now all you have to do is place them in a crisscross fashion and keep securing it with the help of a sellotape. Take the last piece and stick it at the top. And your bow is ready. Now all you need to do is take this bow and stick it on the top of your bottle's cap. And your last minute gift is ready. So I hope you all try this DIY and convert your simple gift into something special and unique. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot to me, and a comment would be really nice too. And I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day and have fun DIY.